Hi kids, today we will discuss about viral diseases, their symptoms, causes and cures. Viral diseases are extremely widespread infections caused by viruses, a type of microorganism. There are many types of viruses that cause a wide variety of viral diseases. The most common type of viral disease is the common cold, which is caused by a viral infection of the upper respiratory tract, that is, nose and throat. Other common viral diseases include chickenpox, flu, herpes, mumps, measles, viral gastroenteritis, viral hepatitis, viral meningitis, viral pneumonia. Viral diseases are contagious and spread from person to person when a virus enters the body and begins to multiply. Common ways that viruses spread from person to person include breathing in airborne droplets contaminated with a virus, eating food or drinking water contaminated with a virus, indirect transmission from person to person by a virus host such as a mosquito, tick or field mouse, touching surfaces or body fluids contaminated with a virus. Virus diseases result in a variety of symptoms that vary in character and severity depending on the type of viral infection and other factors. Common symptoms of viral diseases include flu-like symptoms and malaise, that is, general ill feeling. Viral diseases are not treatable with antibiotics, which can only cure bacterial diseases and infections. However, the most common viral diseases, the common cold and viral fever, are self-limiting in generally healthy people. This means that the viral infection causes illness for a period of time, then it resolves and symptoms disappear as your immune system attacks the virus and your body recovers. In some cases, viral diseases can lead to serious, possibly life-threatening complications such as dehydration, bacterial pneumonia, and other bacterial infections. People at risk for complications include those who have a chronic disease or a suppressed immune system, and the very young and very old. So what are the symptoms of viral disease? Well, they vary depending on the specific types of virus causing infection, the area of the body that is infected, the age and health history of the patient, and other factors. Some common symptoms are flu-like symptoms like fatigue, fever, sore throat, headache, cough, aches and pains, gastrointestinal disturbances such as diarrhea, nausea and vomiting, irritability, general ill feeling, rashes, sneezing, stuffy nose, nasal congestion, runny nose or postnasal drip, swollen tonsils, unexplained weight loss. In some cases, viral diseases can result in serious complications such as dehydration or pneumonia. Now, what causes viral disease? Viral infections occur when a virus enters the body and invades the inside of the body's cells in order to reproduce. If the body's immune system is unable to fight off the virus, it multiplies and spreads to other cells, repeating the process and leading to a widespread infection. There are many types of viruses that cause a wide variety of viral infections. In fact, there are more than 200 viruses that can cause a cold or an upper respiratory tract infection. Now, viral disease can occur in any age group or population. Everybody contracts viral disease during their life, although in some cases the virus does not cause obvious symptoms. Risk factors for catching a viral disease include advanced age, weak immune system, history of chronic disease, malnourishment, not getting enough rest, and high levels of stress. not washing your hands frequently, especially before eating or after using the restroom or after touching the common surfaces. But you can lower your risk of catching or spreading a viral disease by avoiding contact of your hands with your eyes, nose and mouth, which can transmit a virus into the body, avoiding contact with a person who has a viral disease, covering your mouth and nose with your elbow or a tissue when sneezing or coughing, eating a well-balanced diet that includes sufficient amounts of fruits and vegetables, sufficient rest, using appropriate antibacterial cleaners to clean your hands and surfaces, vaccination as recommended by your healthcare provider for viral diseases, washing your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds after contact with a person who has a viral disease before eating or after using the restroom. So kids, these were some of the important facts about viral infections which you all must know so as to protect yourself from these diseases and the related complications. Stay tuned for my next video. Have a good day.